So here today we have the Athens fence system for the residential side and some quick best practices / tips for installing this easy user-friendly system. Well, the key is you're going to install the rails into the pre-punched post. It's better to start with the bottom rail first. That sets a nice foundation for it and makes everything else a breeze, the other two rails. So here it's notched. You'll insert the rail just where it's notched into the pre-punched hole. You got the poly-lock clip. This is what fastens the rail to the post. And when you're inserting it, basically depress the poly-lock clip while you're inserting it and it'll just snap in.